Hey guys, I'm at a showing right now and I want to walk you through a little dilemma that we found a solution for. All right, so this house, beautiful, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, but there's one issue that my buyers were a little bit concerned with, and that was that the washer and dryer hookup was set in the garage and not in the main house. So I'm out here in the garage. This is the washer and dryer hookup. It's kind of a cool garage that has a lot of ADU potential. So they're gonna keep that and eventually put a washer dryer there for their guests or for their renters. But they wanted to find a place that they could put the washer dryer inside the house. There wasn't a hookup. So we had to first do some research. There are crawl spaces, we found them here. That basically tells us that we can do the work and we can put a washer and dryer inside the home. And there's a few possibilities. First of all, here, check out the house. And we basically had to find where could this washer dryer hookup go that would make this fit and make it look really nice. We thought about putting it here, but this is the master bedroom. Not gonna work. Then we thought, well, why don't we put it in this pantry over here? Well, if we put it in this pantry, it almost worked. This was second best option. Did you notice this wall? This is actually the bedroom wall from the master sticking out just a few inches. And because of that, it kind of ruined the idea because the washer and dryer would be a little too wide. We'd have to bust down this whole, like maybe a little bit here to make this whole cabinet disappear. That didn't work. And plus we'd be blocking the access from the inside to the crawl space. Not the prettiest sight to go down there, but you might need it if you had to do some plumbing or some electrical work. So we thought, okay, let's go into some other options. There's this beautiful bench area over here. We thought about putting it here and just kind of closing off this area right there. But this bench is beautiful, the aesthetic's gone, and we'd have to probably block this amazing feature with kind of the Craftsman look here, this hole here. So we thought, not gonna work. We came into the guest bedrooms and we thought, well, what about the closet? Because the closet, we could just put the washer and dryer in there. But when we did the measuring, unfortunately, it was wide enough, but the depth of the washer and dryer would make it come out to about right there. And we thought, well, that's not gonna work. We don't wanna have to bust the wall down and like change everything. So we were kind of getting a little bit like, shoot, what are we gonna do? We ended up coming up with a really, really cool idea that's everyone's happy with. And that is that in this corner right here, in one of the guest bedrooms, this door already kind of eats up some of the square footage by opening. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the washer and dryer hookup. They're gonna run plumbing underneath the ground in the crawl space up through here, get the hookup to come up through the wall and bring the washer dryer here. The person who redid this house is actually going to help us build a little extra closet here to block and cover the washer dryer and make it look just like this closet, but extending out from this wall. And voila, we have our solution. So now when this door opens, it won't be able to open the full way, but that was eating up space anyways. There's nothing we could have put there anyways, really. And this is just the guest bedroom, so now we can have the laundry there and whatever. So really cool. We're actually gonna put this into our offer. We're gonna write our offer price, that we love the home, but included in our offer is that the seller does this work for us. We've negotiated with them and it looks like it's all gonna work out. I will update you whether it does. That's what we do.